My poop. I'm pooping poop, and my poop is pooping deer.
No, they're not.
Bambi's shitting Bambi's.
What would you do if a deer?
What would you do if a deer
just
came out of your butt?
I would be like, what the?
And it started running around.
Look, it's a card.
Look, it's your mom.
Oh. Wait, open your mouth. Wait, open your. Wait. Let me look into your mouth. I'm an eye doctor. Let me look into your mouth. Stop moving, wait. Mark, say something about Chico.
I'm a pirate.
He's a pirate. Bird is dangerous. He'll kill anyone.
Where's the bird go? Where'd the bird go? Okay.
Bye. Little birdie. Bye. Sold. Putting on a bird. Yep. You know, go on my arm. Go on my arm. Wait. Did you capture it?
Yeah.
Fully?
Let's do it again.
Can't you fail? Sure that video is my mom. Okay, what time? Mom, can you buy me a bird? They're not that expensive. I want you to buy me a bird. And I'm gonna name it Amy Whitehouse. No, oh, can you buy me a bird? A parakeet. But Mark has a bird, and we've been playing with them for a little bit, and I realized how cute. I realized how cute birds really are. Just buy me a parakeet. They're so cute. Look at it. Parakeet. It's a bird.
Let me eat your head.
Don't you love your bird?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you just want to eat it? He's eating the bird. Is that bird the bird that bites your tongue off?
Oh, chill.
The bird wants to kill you. Wait, let me go.
Don't you just feel so safe and cozy inside my mouth? Is that a camera? Are you videotaping me? Is he videotaping me?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
He's a paparazzi. Those blueberries or grapes?
I think they're grapes.
Are those grapes?
Yeah. What do you think it is?
They're like blueberries.
I know.
Giant, oversized blueberries. Alright, so I got a bird. Isn't he cute? Oh, no! Don't fly away! Oh! 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 Oh, he just crapped on the computer.